You finally have a signed contract, but your closing date isn't as set in stone as you might think. Here's what every New York buyer and seller needs to know before it's too late. On or about is not a firm date. It gives the buyer and the seller up to 30 additional days beyond that contract date before either party is contractually obligated to close. Delays happen. On the seller side, it might be a title issue. On the buyer side, often the lender needs additional paperwork. Now here's where it gets tricky for buyers. When you lock in that interest rate, the lock has an expiration date, usually 30 to 60 days. If your rate lock expires before the seller is legally obligated to close, you may be forced to extend it. And of course, that extension costs money. Or worse, you could lock in at a higher rate. Your seller has no obligation to accommodate your rate lock timeline. That's why everyone at the table, buyers, sellers, and all parties to the transaction need to understand the timeline is fluid from day one in a New York transaction. Before you sign, know your timelines. We don't just help you understand them. We work to negotiate solutions that give you more clarity and lower your risk before you're ever put in a difficult position. Please give us a call. We're here to help you and protect you every step of the way.